Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have a different type of unboxing. This package was made especially for me by a good friend of mine, and I want to show you what he made for me. This is really cool, and I'll show you also a little clip over here of how he makes it. So first of all, we have these key rings with an engraving on the side. This is a laser engraving of Ramon Alonés because that's my favorite brand. He's made me a beer opener with Ramon Alonés as well, engraved, really cool. And this is magnetic, you put it on a fridge. He's made me another Ramon Alonés ashtray, varnished really nicely. But the next part is the reason why he made them for me and why I contacted him in the first place. Let me take them out and I'll show you. There you have them. What he's made me is all the brands which are currently in the Habanos portfolio on laser engraved on these little small wooden cubes with the EMS sticker, the seal on the side, and the Habanos sticker on the corner. These are really cool. These are very small, they're not very big, and the idea is to have them framed up in a nice frame and to put it in my man cave eventually when I have one. But these are absolutely really cool, and these are all engraved with laser on wood and then varnished on top. It's just so cool to have the opportunity to have something like this hanging on my wall, and I'm very, very grateful to whoever made this. These are going to be such a nice addition, and he's such a gentleman. So once the man cave is built and ready, I will share it with you. But for now, if you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.